Hallo Leute, this is RuVik Education and today we're going to be beginning with I don't know, seventh part of your second chapter of class fifth. If you haven't watched the previous parts, go ahead and watch them because we have discussed many key things that we won't be repeating or we may repeat. I don't know. Anyways, it's happened. I've been filming for so long, guys. Okay. Okay, so we're going to be beginning with this. Remember that we are learning together, growing together. So we may make some mistakes, but we'll try our best to give you the best possible information we can give you. Okay, the question is das. Is das means is that. Is that. Okay, so here there is a picture of Ricky, the rock star, as we saw in the at the beginning of the chapter. So ist das ein Lineal? Ist das ein Lineal? Is that a scale or ruler? I don't see a Bleistift. Bleistift is pencil and this is a guitar. Clearly I can see a guitar. Anyways, it may be a pencil. It's not a pencil. Let's pretend there's a pencil over here. Okay, let's pretend there's a pencil here. So no, that is not a scale. That's not a ruler. That is kein lineal. We have already discussed ein and kein. Positive is ein. Negative is kein. Since lineal is basically das lineal, it's a neutral word, so that is why we have used ein, and because it is not a scale, we have used kein in the second sentence, and then we have to tell what exactly it is. So we have to say das ist ein Bleistift. That means that is a pencil. And now we'll be moving ahead. Ist das ein Bleistift? Do you see a pencil? No, I don't see a pencil. So nein, das ist kein Bleistift. Das ist ein Radiargummi. Okay, Radiargummi is your eraser. Next, blackboard, which is Tafel. Ist das eine Landkarte? Is that a map? Nein, das ist keine Landkarte. Das ist eine Tafel. Because the Tafel. I'm saying the answer. Are you able to follow? If you're not able to follow, let me just write it down. Yeah, 9. Das ist keine Landkarte. And here it should be das ist eine Tafel. E is not capital. So you can see like this, you have to write the answer. Is das ein Lineal? Do you see a lineal? No, I see a book. So das ist kein Lineal. Das ist ein Buch. Are you able to understand how we are doing this? No? Let me tell you why. Basically, what is happening over here is that ein lineal is used because the article of lineal means scale. The article of lineal is das. That's why we have used ein because of a table in which we learnt ein, eine, ein. So for ein, basically whenever there was there is masculine, we used ein. Whenever there was die, we used eine, and whenever there was das, we used ein. So that is why we are doing this. Okay, 9. They're saying this is a book. Can you see this is a book? Yes, this is a book. That is why we are saying no. Das ist kein. So whenever we simply add a K over here, that shows negative. That means no, it is not. Kein means not. So that is not a scale. Kein is simply adding that So then we have to say what exactly is it. So was ist das? So we have to say das ist, what is it? I can see a book. Article of book is das. So for das we saw ein. Das ist ein Buch. So this is exactly what we are doing, guys. Don't worry. Ist das eine Uhr? That they're asking, is that a clock? Do we see a clock? Yes. So the answer should be ja, das ist eine Uhr. Simply you have to write here. Is das ein bus? No, that is not a bus. I can see a car. Car is called Auto. Auto article is das. So nein, das ist. Here simply kein Bus will add, and and here it will be das ist ein Auto. Is das ein Haus? Do we see a house? Yes. So ja, das ist ein Haus will simply come here. Okay, now we are coming to this schreibt. We have to write exactly what this is. So we have to basically kind of fill in the blank. We have done many of these. I'll give few of them as something that you have to do and write down in the comment so that we know that you have understood the exercise well. So here the answer should be hand. Yeah, hand. Here it should be Hund. This one is as comment. This is Nase. This is house. This is okay, which is comment. This is fish. This is Tish. This is oh wait. Okay, I told the answer. Hose. This is heft. This is okay. This one I'll guess homework. It's Munda. Okay, no, leave it. Mund. And this is Hund. So two you have to write down in the comment so that we know that you have understood the exercise. Oh my god, so bloody. Don't worry. So basically on this page you have to fill in the blank with what sport they are playing. So it's a little bit blurry, but I'll think it's make outable. So foosball, which means football, cricket is cricket, tennis is tennis, tennis is table tennis, basketball is basketball. This is ski fahren. This is ski fahren. That's your skiing. Swimming is swimming, and feather ball is badminton. So over here you can see this is a basketball. So obviously this will be foosball. This is obviously cricket. We can see a bat and ball. This is obviously tennis. We can see a tennis racket and a tennis ball. This is swimming because the boy is swimming. This is table and tennis. So tish tennis. Tish is table, tennis is tennis. So table tennis. Basketball. So basketball is same as basketball. So this is skiing. She is skiing. So answer will be ski fahren. Next, badminton. She's playing badminton as a shuttlecock and a badminton racket. So the answer should be Federball spielen. So yeah, simply that is all we had to do. Now we have come to the end of the chapter. This is the vocabulary. Vocabulary you can do by yourself. Although we have discussed almost every word in the chapter. Yeah, so there are many same things. Okay, schnapps is a strong alcohol drink. I guess I didn't say that in the previous video. Um, yeah. So yeah, almost every word we have done. It's there on the next page as well. Yeah. Okay. All words are done. I just went through all of them so that you can go ahead and see that. You can also flip through your book and see. Try to learn the vocabulary because it really helps to understand every word nicely. Okay, so guys, that's it for this video. Come and go ahead and watch the third lesson that we'll be posting really soon. And that's it for this video. See you all next time, and bye bye.